Hello,
and
everyone.
welcome to Update 3 on Major Hurricane Beryl, which is still a Category 3 hurricane with winds at 115 miles per hour and pressure 971 millibars, and moving west-northwest at 18 miles per hour. And so hurricane warnings are still in effect for Cayman Islands, northeastern coast of Yucatán Peninsula, from Cancun downwards. Tropical storm warnings northeastern Belize and northeastern Yucatan and the northwestern Yucatan. Tropical storm watch is also in effect for eastern Belize, and a hurricane watch is also in effect for northeastern Belize and northeastern Yucatan. Sorry about that. And so it's supposed to make landfall at least as a Category 1 storm in the Yucatan Peninsula. And so be prepared and stay safe.